What's up, Justin?
Lance, how you doing?
Good. What are you working on today?
So today we're gonna go ahead and try and get the steering column in it. So we gotta punch a hole in our new fancy aftermarket firewall. So that's the plan. And then we're also gonna, since all this is new, we gotta put a hole for the brake pedal, steering column. These need to get drilled for the body mounts. So we're just trying to go ahead and finish up everything we need to do metal-wise so that it can be ready for paint.
Nice. How's this frame working
I
out?
love this frame, dude. This frame's so nice. Makes life easy.
All right, I'll check back.